In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PowerPoint presentation on Google Slides in just a few simple steps. With our guide for 2024, you'll be able to seamlessly transition your presentations from one platform to another, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening your PowerPoint application. If you have your presentation already created and saved, go ahead and open that specific file. If not, you can start a new presentation by selecting New Presentation. PowerPoint is quite user-friendly, so opening or creating a presentation should be straightforward. Once your presentation is ready, we're going to focus on getting it onto Google Slides. Next, you'll need to click on the File tab located at the top left corner of your PowerPoint window. This is where you'll find a variety of options related to your file like saving, printing, and sharing. From the File menu, what you want to do is choose the option that says Create a Copy. This step is essential to ensure that your original file remains untouched while we create a version that's compatible with Google Slides. Once you've created a copy, the next step is to download this version to your computer. Look for an option that says download a copy and ensure that it is saved in a location you can easily find. Your computer might prompt you to choose where to save, so just make sure it's somewhere accessible to avoid any unnecessary searching later. With your file now saved locally, let's move over to Google Drive. Open your Google Drive in a web browser. You can do this by simply typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar and logging in if prompted. Within Google Drive, you want to upload the PowerPoint file you've just downloaded. This can be done by dragging and dropping the file into the Google Drive window or going to New and selecting File Upload. After your file has been successfully uploaded, locate it in your Google Drive. Right-click on the file and you'll see an option to Open With. From this menu, select Google Slides. What this does is convert and open your PowerPoint presentation in Google Slides, making it easy for you to edit, share, and collaborate directly through Google's platform. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred your PowerPoint presentation into Google Slides, allowing you to take advantage of Google's cloud-based features and collaboration tools. Hopefully you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips, and we'll see you next time.